Monday, February 19th, 2024. And we're changing the oil again. Yeah, you seen me do this 100 times. So I'm just bringing you along with me as I ramble on. The power steering's full. Oh, the cool thing, and I think I might have made a video in the past about this before, I'm not sure, is I did buy a new oil cap. In fact, I went on a fixing spree a couple of years ago. Remember I had to take a pair of pliers to get the old one off? Well, I finally ordered one. Yeah, I went on a fixing spree. I fixed the fuel tank selector switch, the power door locks, and switches, and all that stuff. And that just came with it. So, anyway. I must say, oh shoot, it's a quart low. Yeah, it's a quart low. I knew it was needed. I haven't changed it in a couple of years, but I have not driven it a whole lot. So as you can see, the oil is not really all that dirty. All right, let's get it draining. I also apologize for my absence. I know I haven't made a lot of videos in a long time. I just can't quite get my head where it's supposed to be. And I kind of struggled with that. Wow. But I'm here today. I'm surviving. And I'm glad you all have stuck it out with me anyway. I have a date on the filter when I changed it last. I think it might be getting time for a drain plug in the near future. I've never put one in this one. Bam. There we go. Yeah. Yep, I have switched to Mobil 1 oil filters. I went through a spell and had a hard time finding Motorcraft oil filters. 2, 19, 24. I wrote 23 on the other side. I'm still writing 23. Okay, well anyway, we know. We'll fix that. There we go. 219.24. I wrote 23 on it. Oh well. Close enough. Put some oil on the seal so it don't stick. If you don't put oil on the seal, it grabs and sticks to the block and you can't really get it tight. That's the whole purpose of that. Almost there. That'll be good. And we wipe off the excess. Good as new. We get this old filter off and the new one on, and we're done underneath. And the gasket stuck to the filter. Making things easier, we just wipe it down. And we're good. This gets SuperTech 10W40, and it has for the past 15 or 16 years. It's been getting it for a long time. In fact, even the Bronco I had back in its day, when I had it, it got SuperTech oil. It got 20W50, and the red F-150 over there, when I broke the 302 in, I broke it in on SuperTech Synthetic Blend 10W40, or was it 10W30? I don't remember exactly what it was. Of course, I added some break-in oil also, and it's just been just fine. I've had no problem at all with this SuperTech oil. I don't want to give you crap over it, but there's nothing wrong with it. And I had the valve cover off the top of this engine, and the engine's just as clean as can be. There's one odd quart and 5 here, so that makes it 6 quarts. Miles wise, this was not overdue, it was just out on time. It right at due miles, for the miles anyway. Of course, it had set for a long time. It just moved out of daily driven status. Yeah, I throw that on the ground. I'll pick it up here in just a few minutes when I'm finished with everything. All right. Put the oil cap back on it. Wipe the dipstick down. And then we have a safe level. It's ready to start. I'll go ahead and roll it off the ramps. Back it off the ramps, and then we'll start it there. So it's off the ramps. We'll go ahead and give her a little crank. Start it up. Okay, so we just checked the oil one last time, make sure we're at a safe level. It's right there at the top of the crosshatch. Right where it's supposed to be. Alright, this oil change is done. So it's time to put all the tools away, ramps up, stool and everything, because we are almost out of daylight. Imagine that. It probably wouldn't hurt to have a little bit of antifreeze put in it. It needs a flush. It needs to be flushed. And I'll probably work on that in the near future also. But until then, we're going to call it a night. Okay, so we got the hood down, everything's put away, and we are almost out of daylight. So coming soon, I'm going to do a review of the tires I just put on it. I made a short video back in late December when I had that done. I will be making a review of that, and I'll also show the exhaust that I had put on it. Well, I put on. I didn't have it put on, but I had it put on. So anyway, so thanks for watching, and also coming up real soon, I'll be making a video. I'll be explaining why there's a Mini Cooper parked in the driveway. Yeah, that's been in the making also, but we'll get into that too. So until then, thanks for watching.